Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and send free messages on Zoosk. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead step into our video. So for that, let's go ahead first access our Zoosk on your phone. You can go to your browsers, type in zoosk.com in the search bar and get to the official website of theirs and simply sign in as well. So the thing is, Zoosk is obviously a dating app, and it is genuinely for the serious purpose. If really somebody seriously wants to have a date and want to date in their future, that is why this app is for. So if you're not being able to send messages, you have to simply get yourself a subscription. Without the subscription you cannot access some of these special features, including sending messages. So for that, you can go to this account option and go to subscription and simply take a subscription for a while. Other thing that you can do is a simple trick that you can do is you can simply get yourself a prepaid card from a store. You can simply go ahead, take a subscription, and because you will get a 7 days free trial, you can take the trial, and if you don't quite like the app or the services, you can simply quit. So if it's from your prepaid card, they won't be able to deduct the charge afterwards. So don't use your own card if you don't want to pay, because afterwards they will cut the charge. Simply use a prepaid card so they won't cut the charge afterwards, and you can simply quit the app as well, because you won't be able to text them after the 7 days of trial. You have to pay for it. So that is it for this video, guys. If you got more questions and concerns, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.